Hello, mathematicians. This is Mrs. Nice here with your math lesson today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. First, I would like you to grab some materials for me. Can you grab your sleeve here? Now, when you get your sleeve, I'd like you to put your bar diagram in the front. Okay? So grab your sleeve and your workbook. Come back to me. And when you have that sleeve, bar diagram in the front. This is a bar diagram, and we're going to talk a little bit about this today. And your workbook. First, we're going to look at our math practices. Okay, our math practices. We're going to look at math practice 2, 3, 4, and 8 in our lesson. Let's go over them. All right, math practice 2. Reason abstractly and quantitatively. I can think about numbers in many ways. So you see a tally mark is a 5, the number 5 is a 5, you can think of dice as a 5, so you think of your numbers in different ways. Math practice 3. Construct arguments so you can explain your thinking. So talk and explain your thinking. Math practice 4, model with mathematics. We may draw some pictures. That's a model. Models are pictures. And math practice 8, patterns. We're going to look for repeated reasoning and patterns. Okay, so let's get to our solve and share. But before we get to our solve and share, we're going to objective. Today in math, we will add and subtract quickly and accurately using mental math strategies. Mental math. What does that mean, mental math? Think about that. Do you remember that from last year? Mental math. Well, when you think mental, it's in your mind, right? So we're going to try to use our math strategies to do our math problems in our mind quickly and accurately. Topic 1 essential questions are: what are the strategies for finding addition and subtraction facts? So we need to go to our solve and share, which is on page 47. Page 47. Let's look here. Okay. Right, 4 related facts that use both the numbers 7 and 9 as quickly as you can. Then tell how you found each fact. So I want you to pause. Write 4 related facts that you can use both the numbers 7 and 9 as quickly as you can. Then tell how you found each fact. There's 2 addition and 2 subtraction problems at the bottom. I want you to pause and go ahead and complete this. All right, friends, you should be back. So let's think about, I want you to think about your fact family. Now, if I'm going to look at a fact family for 7 and 9, I need to know the third number. Why? Because fact families are 3 related numbers. 1, 2, 3. So 7 and 9. So if I just draw my circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can do this pretty quickly because I know 7 and 7 are 14. Because our doubles fact, they're my pairs there, plus 2 is 15, 16. That's my third fact in my fact family. Did you figure that out? If you did, you're so smart. All right, let's figure out our addition problems. So I know that 7 plus 9 equals 16, so I'm going to write that down here. Now, how do I know my other addition problem here? How do I know that? Think. Think, think, think. What can you do to figure out the other addition problem? You're right, you can flip those numbers. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Oh, you are such smart mathematicians. Now our subtraction problem. Remember, when you do a subtraction problem, your bigger number is always first, right? Because you can't subtract a little number from a bigger number. No way. So I'm going to put 16 here. Then guess what? I'm going to do a little switcheroo. I'm going to flop these numbers here. 9 and 7, and 7 and 9. Look how fast I did that. Was that super quick or what? Wow. All right, so we're going to watch our video for some more information. I hope that you got this right. And I'm sure you did because you're brilliant mathematicians. All right, here comes our video.
Practice your basic facts to recall them quickly. Find 7 minus 4. What can you do if you cannot recall the fact? Think of strategies to help you recall the facts. What strategy can you use to find 7 minus 4? One way to subtract is to think about addition. You know that 7 is the whole. You know that 4 is one part. If 4 is one part, what is the other part?
Let's give that a try. Let's give that a try.
Drag the cubes to the mat to show the missing part.
So I'm going to...
The missing part is 3.
So we count up our cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Part, and our whole. Remember, our whole is at the top when we have a bar diagram. So part is 4, the other part is 3, and the whole is 7.
Use cubes and count on from 4 to find the other part. 4, 5, 6, 7. The other part is 3. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Suppose you cannot recall an addition fact. Find 4 plus 5. You can use a doubles fact to help you recall a near doubles fact. What doubles fact can help you find 4 plus 5?
Select your answer.
What doubles fact can help you find 4 plus 5? Now, is 2 plus 2 close to 4 plus 5? Does that have either one of those add-ins? No. How about 4 plus 4? Can that help you find 4 plus 5? Well, if I know 4 plus 4, 4 plus 5 is 1 more. Well, that can help me. But I just want to check the other one. 6 plus 6. Does that have either one of the add-ins here that could help me? No, I think I'm going to use 4 plus 4. Whoop, let me slide it up. Oh,
Use 4 plus 4 to find 4 plus 5. Add one more cube to show 4 plus 4, and one more, or 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9 minus 5 equals 4, and 4 plus 5 equals 9 are related facts. What are the two other facts that complete this fact family?
Ooh, friends, so what are the two other facts that can complete this fact family? Remember, we flipped the digits here. So when we're flipping a subtraction problem, that big number always stays first. So you would flip the 4 and the 5. Now, in an addition problem, you just flip the add-ins and you get the same answer.
The two other facts that complete this family are 9 minus 4 equals 5 and 5 plus 4 equals 9. Practicing your basic facts will help you remember the facts quickly. Then your math problems will be easier.
All right, boys and girls, let's build our anchor chart together. All right, so if we want to find 7 minus 4, and we use our bar diagram, we have part, and whole. The whole is 7 because that's the big number. You always start with the big number in a subtraction problem. So if I draw the 4 dots, what do I need to have over here? So I can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What would my answer be? 1, 2, 3. 3. That's my answer. All right, so we can use our bar diagram. Then we can also think about our doubles fact. If we know 4 plus 4 equals 8, and we have our buddies here, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals 8. If we want to find 4 plus 5, we could just add 1, go up 1, and 4 plus 5 equals 9. 9, very smart mathematicians. So let's go ahead and go to our practice over here. So let's look at page 48. Page 48. And I'm going to use that bar diagram again. And remember, when we're doing a subtraction problem, our bigger number goes at the top. So if I'm going to draw this bar diagram here, and I'm looking to complete 17 minus 9, remember my big number goes at the top of the bar diagram. So 17 is the big number. Now I know I need to draw 9 on the one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the one side. 17 minus 9. How am I going to find that? How am I going to find 17 minus 9? What am I going to do? Oh, I like your answer. Good. So we can count up from 9 to 17 to find out what our answer is. So if I start with 9, then I go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many circles did I draw? Count them with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 17 minus 9 equals 8. Also, so if we're thinking about our fact family, what's the addition fact here? What's an addition fact here? 9 plus 8 equals 17. Right? Good job, friends. Good job. Let's try number 3. Let's try number 3. So number 3 says to add 5 and 7. Use any strategy. I'm going to use the bar diagram again because I like my bar diagram. So I need to find 5 plus 7. Now 5 and 7 are 2 parts. So I need to get the big number up here. So let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're going to add them all together. So let's count them all up. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 5 plus 7 equals 12. Can you figure out a subtraction problem with 12 and 5 and 7? Think. Ooh, good idea. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Smart, 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 friends. Okay, so for your practice, we have a couple things for you to practice today. Now you have a choice. If you're working with your teacher, you'll meet your teacher. You can work on the problems on pages 48 and 49. Use any strategy that you like. Now we also have something really cool on our s'more today I'm going to show you. So if you go to your s'more and you scroll down, I'm going to have the math video here. It's going to pop up. You'll see boom cards. These are so super cool. So you can click on the boom cards and you can read. See that little speaker there that can read it for you? Okay, so you could try these problems. So super fun. So you may be doing them with your teacher, you may be doing them on your own. So contact your teacher and find out if you're in a small group or not. Otherwise, I hope you had a wonderful math lesson today. I did. Have a great day. Bye.